Alright, so I've got this guy tinned up, and I've got our wires tinned up. Well, now I just need to trim them to size, so when we go ahead and get them squared away, they will match up quite nicely. It's always hard to do these shots because trying to shoot it and then also trying to solder at the same time gets pretty tricky. Actually, let's go this direction. That's a lot easier for me. One other side note is that you do not want to be hanging out on these guys for too long, because the plastics and everything will kind of get a little munched and become pretty difficult to move the switch back and forth. So that one looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get this guy going as well. Make sure it's a good solid connection, not a cold solder joint. Because if you have a cold solder joint, like I do actually on this one, it's it'll either come apart or it will not work out as well as it should. And then we'll move our switch back and forth just to make sure that it does exactly what it needs to do, is move back and forth. And we are good. So to get the switch ready, if you notice, I already kind of moved the wires down just a little bit, just to kind of get them out of the way. So what we'll do, just to make sure, is we will validate that we have a good connection again. So we have the switch in place, and we'll test on the other ends of the wires. And looks like we have connectivity, so we know that the switch works. We'll switch it in the off position now, or I'm sorry, the on position. And make sure that we do not have any link, which we do not. So we have the wiring all set. Now it is time to hot glue this guy into place.